So over the years, Meta has upgraded their social media platform, including Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and they have added more amazing features on it. So these amazing features are hidden. Not everybody know how to navigate through WhatsApp and turn on those settings. So in this video, I will be showing you guys and I will be taking you step by step on how to turn it on. Hi guys, my name is Easy, and on this my channel I drop easy tips that I know and which works for everybody. So if this is the kind of video you love to see, do well by liking and subscribing and commenting on this video. Thank you very much. So I'll be sharing with you guys on how to turn these settings on my phone right now. The last one is my favorite, so do well to stick around to this video to the end so that you get to know it. So the first one I'm going to show you now is I call it the shortcut. It's called the shortcut. So basically what you will do now is to come over to your WhatsApp and tap on this plus sign here. Once you tap on the plus sign here, now you can go ahead and choose to name your shortcut. Maybe you want to name it family or friends. Once you have done that, you can go ahead and add your family or the friend list you want to add. Now once you have added it, now when you come on WhatsApp, you don't need to scroll around and find your family members again. You just need to come over to family here and you see all your family members. Is that not amazing? That's really amazing. No need to go ahead and be searching for them anymore. You just come over to family. Once you are on your WhatsApp, boom, all your family members are here. So that's so amazing. It's more like a voice note, but this one records your face while you are speaking. So it's more advanced than the voice recording. So what you do now is to come over to your WhatsApp and you go over to the person you want to send this video record to. It might be your loved one, it might be your fiancé, it might be your friend. So in this case, I'm gonna come over to my fiancé text. So you come over to the person chat box and you hold the camera button. This camera button right here, you press hold, just like the way you do your voice record. You press hold. Once you press hold, boom, you start recording. Then you start saying what you want to say. Once you are done saying it, you just go ahead and leave it the way you record your voice note. Once you leave it, it sends automatically. So that's it. So the last but not the least, which I say it's my favorite, it's called voice transcript. It's called the voice transcript. So what this does basically, this feature allows you to transcript your voice notes into writing. Maybe you are in a place where there is noisy or you don't want anybody to hear your voice note. You can just transcript it to words and read it. This is called privacy. No one can hear it, and you just read it and know what the person says. And so to do that, you come over to this three dot icon here, you tap on it, then you go to settings, then you scroll all the way down to chat. Once you are in chat, then you see this voice message transcript option here. You go on to tap on it. Once you tap on it, then you go to transcript language. You pick the language you want to transcript your voice note to. Then you click on download. Once you are done downloading it, then it's done. You can now transcript your voice note to words. I hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.